Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm heading off to a local park not far from home, set in the grounds of Upton House. It's a popular place for walkers, joggers and cyclists, and generally for families to have a nice day out. The theme for the day is abstract photography, or kind of close-up photography, something a bit different. It's a funny day today because it's cloudy and sunny, and it also comes over a bit overcast. So trying something different is my option today. So let's see how we get on. I first venture off into a small woodland just across the road from Upton Park, and after lots of investigation and walking around, there's nothing that really kind of grabbed my eye. So with that, I headed back to the main park. The choice of moving to the main park was a lot better option, as this offered a lot more opportunities for me. There's all kinds of things here. This uprooted tree, lots of abstract shots there with the roots exposing themselves. And unusually for me, I decided to do some handheld photography. Not something I particularly do that often, but it's quite nice just looking around, scanning around, seeing what looks good through the back of the camera without having to keep setting the tripod up. So with that, I carried on to see what else I could find. I came across this, but after much consideration, it didn't really offer much opportunity for me. Then also with this tree, I mean, look at the size of it, it's huge. I have no idea how old it is, probably several hundred years old. But in the right conditions, this would look fantastic. And just beyond the tree was this, again, blown over tree, again offering some wonderful opportunities for some close-up abstract-y type photography. Again, it's quite an old tree, but all of the texture in the bark there, it's beautiful. So off I go again to see what else I can find. Then I came across this old dead tree, and I've got some lovely photos of this, which I'll show you at the end. Upton Park's also part of a nature reserve, so if you're into bird photography, this would be perfect, as you get the wash from Poole Harbour, and creates this wetland, and you get loads of different species of birds. And at the end of the footpath it heads to a place called Holes Bay. Again, it's part of the wash from Poole, but I think I'll leave that for another day. Yeah, so after a wonderful day's photography, I head back towards the car and look forward to getting home and seeing what photos come out like. Once again, I want to say thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. And if you want to leave a comment below, that'd be great, because I always look forward to the comments. Have a great week, take care.